a petition has surfaced. A petition that says, guys, please sign this petition. I happen to get hold of the link. The petition is about the fact that people who are aggrieved, people who want to see us having re-elections, they must sign this petition. If you want the country to have re-elections, definitely there's a petition for you. So, okay, let me see. As of me doing this video, the petition has been signed, gained signature of 7,729 signatures. Their next goal is 10,000 signatures, right? So I say to you, and look, and then people are doing great here, because what I'm seeing here is that today alone, about 710 people signed at the time of me doing this. Just 700 people just today alone. So I know, okay, when you get this, you know what I'm saying, you're going to do the right thing. So if you want to have re-elections, sign this petition. So please, in this video, right? Check in the video description below. The video description, to those that don't know, you will see the title of the video. And then from the title of the video, below there's a video description. Check there. I'm going to leave the link of this petition in the video description. You're going to click in that link, and you will then sign the petition through the link that you will have received there. So please do that for me. But another thing that I also want us to do, I want us to do a recap on is the issue of yes. We need to talk about some few things in relation to the elections. Now, it has also been revealed that John Steenhuisen is now negotiating for a seat at President Ramaphosa's table. In other words, in the cabinet, they are negotiating the DA Democratic Alliance. They are negotiating to have a seat there, or they want an allocation there. Now, the other thing, speaking about the Democratic Alliance as well, remember the questions of what the DA is going to do about the person. They've answered here as to what are the steps that they are going to take going forward. So I'm going to have to go through every single thing with you together, but don't forget the issue of a petition. So we will cover that in just one video. There's one thing as well that I want us to cover. It is this. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people, because to subscribe it is free. To like the video, it is free. To comment in the comment section below, it is free of charge. To click the notification bell, it is free of charge. To share this video, it is free of charge. To watch this video until the end, it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads, it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the Super Thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel, and you know what I'm saying, we'll bring you more, and also guys want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. Okay, where do we start? Let's start with the issue. What is DA going to do about the man with racial comments? Now, speaking to SABC, they answered that by saying a question was posed to him, and he indicated that this video has been altered has been altered in some way. But of course, as soon as we found out that was not the case. Immediately, action was taken, and now there is a process that will follow. The disciplinary process and everything will follow from there. We are getting a lot of questions whether he will be an MP or other issue. He will be an MP or other issues involved. But he is now being totally prevented from doing any party political events, anything for or in the name of the party. Federal legal commission process is about to start. What are you saying? Do you think they will do anything to him when they themselves share the same sentiment? Just saying. They didn't say anything. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. You know my stand when it comes to DA and the things that they're doing in Cape Town. I'm not happy with a lot of things there. We're going to come to the issue of a petition. But before we get into the issue of who staying here and negotiating a seat in Parliament, it is also, I'm pleased to tell you this, that I'm very much grateful, guys, for taking this channel to where it is right now. We started posting on this channel on the 22nd of December 2023. Today, it's not even the 22nd of June. And the channel is already sitting on 6,000 or 50,000 subscribers. And for that, I will forever be grateful for the things that you guys have done for me in this YouTube channel. You have got no idea what you did for me. Now, let's go back to this one. The Democratic Alliance says that the party's leader, John Steenhuisen, is still negotiating with President Ramaphosa's portfolios in his cabinet as the country awaits the anticipation for an announcement for a new executive. Ramaphosa is expected to unveil the new cabinet soon, following his inauguration at the Union Buildings in Pretoria on Wednesday. The DA is reportedly eyeing a handful of key positions in the cabinet. Let's give credit to this one as well. It is eyewitness news. Also, Kodongwane not sure will remain the Minister of Finance. Though its previous administration, country's deputy president was also appointed leader of government business, it's not mandatory. Sources in the DA has confirmed that Steenhuisen is gunning for a position in one form or another, though she will not be drawn for a comment on which portfolio the party is beckoning for, or whatever. Like what DA parliamentary chief whip Sipiwe Gwarube said this today, that we know for a fact right now is that as per the statement of intent that the party signs, there will be proportional representation broadly of political parties. As the second largest political party of the GNU, we will expect a sizable number of portfolios in that cabinet. Oh, okay. Asazi lutho ke thina lapho eyabo leyo. Now we are back to the issue of a petition. Now you want to know about the petition, Angit? Here's the story. There's a petition. I think the petition started 12 June, but I honestly did not pick this petition until I came across this petition. And I was like, wow, this petition people needs to know about it. Maybe people wants to know more about this petition, but we just didn't know. Maybe people will participate in this petition. We just didn't know. But here's the petition. Here's what it says. We are South African citizens who do not believe in the 29th May election. We are South African citizens who do not believe the 29 May election was fair and free. 2 weeks before the elections, the American ambassador visited the Independent Electoral Commission (IEC) We have strong reasons to believe that the 29 May election has been rigged. We demand a re-election as soon as possible to ensure our democratic rights are upheld. Please sign this petition to support our call for a fair, transparent electoral process. So, like I said, guys, check in the video description below. I'm going to take this link, put it in the video description below, so you can continuously watch it from there. What else do you want from me, guys? I've done what people send me to do. So I've delivered my part. I've done my job, guys. Please do the right thing now. It's your turn now, guys. Go and sign this petition. It is sitting on 7,000. 7,000 south. What? Guys, please. 7,729. Let there be a change in this petition.